Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is something that's near and dear to my heart, and I just wanted to talk to you guys and tell you about it. I get a ton of questions, so I thought, what better way to do it than in video? So my job, my profession, is summed up into one word as an influencer. I may influence a viewer to use a certain product or shop at a certain store or even drink a certain coffee. As an influencer, I feel it's my responsibility to use that influence to encourage others to give back and to be kind. More than anything, right now we need compassion and caring for one another. I started Moss Squad Cares as a way to help out in my community by providing care packages for the homeless and anyone in need. What started with an occasional shopping trip to the Dollar Tree to buy some supplies has turned into something so much bigger than I ever anticipated. Our YouTube subscribers now send donations of goods and gift cards to purchase the items that we're going to fill the care packages with. My daughter's special needs school has taken on the task of filling those care packages in their vocational program, which teaches the students job skills and motor planning. With the help of friends, family, and local students, we have handed nearly 1,000 care packages so far. You never know if someone needs a snack, a toothbrush, a clean pair of socks, or just a smile and someone to talk to for a minute. But now Moss Squad Cares can provide that. Thank you for your help with my little project. I hope it becomes so much more, and I hope it can influence others to make a positive change in the world around them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. This brings so much joy to my heart. My family loves helping me, and I just love dropping these things off at Abigail's school and them participating as well. I hope that I can influence you guys to do something. Comment down below. Let me know, what are you doing to make a difference in someone's life today? Thank you so much. We will see you next time. Bye, guys.